How to merge clips in Capcut. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily merge clips in Capcut. So to get started, go ahead and open Capcut on your device and then click on this create a project button if you haven't created a project yet. But if you have an existing project, simply open that project. And then in here, go ahead and import the clips that you want to merge. So simply click on import and then go ahead and drag the clips into your timeline. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and select the merge method that you want to use to merge this clip. So there are three ways for you to merge clips. First would be simple merge. So you just need to align clips side by side, just like this. And then second would be transition merge. So to do that, you need to add a transition in between your two clips. So you need to click on transition at the top left of your screen and then drag the transition in between the two videos to be able to add it for this video. So go ahead and drag the transition from the transition section to the middle of the two clips, and the transition would be applied for this clip. And the last option that you have is to overlay merge. So place one clip above another for picture to picture or split screen effects. So go ahead and adjust this further, and once you're satisfied with how this looks, simply click on the export button at the top right of your screen.